Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create an account on the BingX platform quickly and easily. BingX is currently having a promotion, Super X Futures Championship. Join to share a $600,000 prize pool. I will briefly review this top cryptocurrency exchange before going into the main part. On BingX, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies like BTC, Dogecoin, ETH, BETBET. BingX stands out with its copy trading feature, which helps investors easily earn extra income. Like many other exchanges, BingX has the following features: spot trading, futures trading, grid trading. BingX provides users with a secure security system. Rest assured about this. Now we will return to the topic, registering a BingX exchange account. There are two sign up buttons. You can click on any one. Or you can also click on the registration link in the description of this video. A new interface will appear. Enter the email address you want to use to open a BingX account. Set password. Note: enter the referral code BETBET to receive top offers from this exchange. Click Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to the email address you used to create your account. Open your email and copy the code. Click Sign Up. A new window will appear. It will ask you to do KYC to authenticate the user. However, you can turn it off. And the guide to create a BingX account is complete here. In the next videos, I will guide you to verify your account and follow the steps to receive special welcome gifts from BingX Exchange.